Hey guys, Luke from 3D Pro Melbourne here. We're just going to do a bit of a tutorial on how to replace your standard latches with our 3D printed ones here. So as you can see, we've got our 3D printed one with our logo, and then this is our standard one. So we're going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to do it. All right, step one is we need to get this latch out and off the pack out. So this is what it's going to look like. So once you open it here, you can see here, there's two little tabs. We need to slide this over it and out. All right, so step two is to grab a flat screwdriver or a chisel, whatever you prefer, and we need to open this up to bring this over. So you need to get one side over this little lip here and then the other side and kind of wiggle it free. So if it's your first time, it's gonna be quite stiff and challenging. You might need to use a bit of strength, but once you kind of get it over that little hump, you can kind of wiggle it left to right, left to right. All right. On to step three, now we've got this latch out, we need to get this little silver pin out. So the best way to do that is to grab a small flathead, like this, and then your pliers or hammer, a couple of taps, and that's going to come out on the side, and then you can just pull it out. So pull it out like that, and that's going to come apart. All right, step four is get your 3D printed latch with the original holder. Put that in together and feed in this silver pin, push that all the way in, and then you'll be able to just, with a few more taps of your hammer or pliers, just finish that off. So that's flush, and then that's ready to go. All right, step five is to grab the original metal clip from it and put it onto ours. So just a little bit of force is going to pull this off. And then on the new one, remember there's two ways you can go, just make sure it's facing up like that. Put it in on one side, and so it's all the way in. And then all you need to do is a bit of strength and to lift that over into that side, and that's ready to go. All right, step six is you're done. All you need to do is push it back into its original spot. So all you need to do is slide that in. You can use this metal clip to use as pressure to hold that in, and then it's just gonna go over back over these humps. So pushed in, that's in, done. And I just want to touch on how the website and the latches work. So you can get single line or a double line with your custom text. Some people are doing their logos or their personal name or what tools they have in their rolling box. So if you jump on the website and you're a bit confused on which latch to purchase, if you just count these little prongs, so this rolling box has 5, you can match it up on the website to use which one and pick which one you need. So like the ammo can, for example, that's got 7 prongs, and then the half width and the full width latches are smaller again. So you just pick and choose what you need.